Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need to start by confirming the Emoji keyboard is actually installed. Open Settings, go to General, then Keyboard. This is where iOS registers languages and special keyboards. If you see Emoji listed, move on. If not, tap Keyboards, choose Add New Keyboard, then select Emoji. Once done, make sure the list order and duplicates are cleaned. Duplicates can confuse the picker. This initial step ensures the system knows about emoji input before we troubleshoot deeper software or language conflict. Now you'll refresh how the system handles text input. Turn dictation off and back on because it sometimes blocks the globe key. Remove any keyboard that conflicts, long press Edit to delete, then re-add the same language or emoji. Also check for iOS updates. Apple often fixes keyboard bugs in minor releases. Once updated, restart your iPhone to reload services. These steps clear cached keyboard states and ensure compatibility between input services and the emoji selector. Finish by performing a force restart to flush temporary glitches. This often restores the globe or smiley icon. If that fails, reset the keyboard dictionary to remove corrupted learn data. This won't erase other content. As a last resort, back up to iCloud or Finder, then restore the device. Restoring addresses deep software corruption affecting keyboards. If you follow these steps and emoji still won't appear, try creating a new user keyboard shortcut as a temporary workaround while you contact Apple support for targeted assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.